Welcome back. This is updated version of CapCut. In this video, you will learn how to blur specific part of video using video effect, keyframe, and mask. So let's get started. So first thing, we have to make this clip duplicate. Scroll and look for duplicate option. Then tap on duplicate clip. Then go to effects. Tap on video effects. And from here, search for blur effect. Or just simply go to lens. And here you will find blur effect. Tap OK. Select the duplicate clip and tap on overlay. And then drag this overlay under your main clip. Make sure overlay is selected and then you need to scroll until you see mask option. Tap on it and the menu will pop up with bunch of mask shape. You can choose one that is best for you. I will choose this rectangle. Stay in mask menu and try to adjust the mask size by dragging these two arrows. As you can see, the car and camera moves throughout the frame, but the mask stands still. So now we will need to add keyframes. Now make sure you are at the beginning of your video and then tap on mask and then tap on this little keyframe button right here. Then move the video couple of frames and then adjust your mask frame by frame. As you can see, the frames are also being added. So now we don't need blur effect for this part of a video. So what we can do is simply tap on mask and pull this arrow down so the blurry effect will not appear as this part of a video. Click on done button and that's it. Again tap on mask and push this arrow up so the blur effect will appear. And again just repeat the same steps and adjust the mask frame by frame. Click on done. And this is the final result. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next video.